Good afternoon. Welcome to day 364 at the EMA office, where we bring you the latest numbers on this Friday afternoon, one day away before a one-year anniversary, which is nothing to be proud of, but it's been a long, long time. Mark Kern, the chairman, is with us today, and Randy Randolph.
Yes, sir.
Randy, it's Friday, and it's been a long day already.
It has been a long day, and this looks like some more rain coming, so everybody keep an eye out on that, but we should be doing pretty well. So I'll go into the St. Clair County totals as of today. We've tested 297,227 residents. Of those, 28,657 were positive. That's an increase of 51 since yesterday. That's males and females under the age of 10 through their 80s. That brings our daily county positivity rate to 4.9%. Of those tested, there were 268,766 that were negative. Unfortunately, we do have one additional death to report today, a male in his 60s with unknown health conditions. And as always, our thoughts and prayers go out to the friends and family of that gentleman. That brings our total deaths in St. Clair County to 460. Those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period is 27,652. For state totals, they've tested 18,988,265. Of those, 1,206,172 were positive, and that's an increase of 1,763 since yesterday. For statewide deaths, the state is reporting 20,901 total deaths, and that is an increase of 39 since yesterday. And again, our thoughts and prayers go out to those. For hospitalization numbers, for those currently hospitalized in St. Clair County due to COVID-related reasons, there are 35 patients, and 3 of those are on ventilators. Regionally, we have 63 patients admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 4 of them are on ventilators. We do not have any updates in our congregate living facilities to share today, so that's a good thing. Just remember that testing continues to be ongoing at St. Clair Square, 7 days a week, 8 to 4, and it's a great opportunity to find out your status and know if you have COVID-19 or not while we continue this process of working through vaccinating the community. So, Chairman, turn it over to you.
Thank you, Randy.
Thank you.
Okay, let's take a look at the zip code report. In 62201, we're up 1 to 565. 62203, up 1 to 611. 62205, also up 1 to 633. 62206 is up 7 today to 1,283. 62207, up 2 to 581. 62208, up 7 to 1609. 62220, up 4 to 2052. 62221, up 4 to 2761. 62223, up 4 to 1730. 62226, up 4 to 3167. 62232, up 2 to 890. 62239, up 2 to 462. 62243, up 3 to 766. 62254, up 1 to 791. 62258, up 1 to 1030. 62264, up 1 to 354. 62269, up 1 to 3,215, and 62285, up 3 to 560. 51 new positives today, 1,050 tested, brings our daily county positivity down to 4.9%. That brings our rolling average up to 5.8%, and regional positivity also is up today to 3.3%. Bond County calls in today at minus 0.4%. Clinton is at 1.9%. Madison, 3.5% positivity. Monroe, 5.2%. Randolph, 1.1%. St. Clair, 1.6%. And Washington County is at 1.9%. Herb, I think it's important that we tell people not to let their guard down on this St. Patrick's weekend. I think everyone is so anxious to get out and kind of start where we were a year ago, start back where we were a year ago. But COVID is still out in the community, and the fact is hospitalizations have been going up the last 3 days. People are still getting COVID in the community. It's still out there. It's still prevalent, and the new strain, I think, is around, and that causes more people to be. It's very contagious. More people get sick from it, and from what I understand, it can even make people more sick than the COVID we were dealing with 364 days ago. So I would just ask everybody to wear the mask, wash the hands, watch the social distance, and if you are going to go out, avoid crowds. Certainly if they're indoors, that is not a good thing. If people have to be 6 feet apart in these establishments. Sometimes in the heat of the day, the rules aren't followed, but I want to encourage you to go to the places where the rules are being followed. Those rules are in place to protect you from COVID. Even if you've had your vaccine, I think it's important that you respect others and not be part of a crowd that is going to maybe be passing the virus to someone else.
Well, I think some people are getting complacent. They're thinking because they've got their vaccine, even the second dose, that they can go out now and just do what they want. And hopefully they need to do themselves a favor and do your neighbors and your families a favor. Don't let your guard down because, a year ago, 364 days ago, it'll be 365 tomorrow, this thing started here. And you've all been on this ride with us, and it would be terrible for us to go backwards. We're so close. People are getting their shots. More people are signing up. Another 1,447 showed interest since yesterday. 112,927 people have showed that interest here in the county. So just do yourself and do us a favor because we want this thing to get over with also. And we have to do that. Some comments on here. Today, I got my second shot today, in and out in 35 minutes. A very positive experience. Everyone was wonderful. Shirley says, I've heard so many good comments about the fairgrounds. Fabulous arrangements. Thank you. Ina says, you did a great job today. My first shot, excellent job on the logistics. Hats off to everyone. So, Team St. Clair, everybody that's showing interest in it. You're doing yourself and you're doing your neighbors and your family, friends by getting that shot. So,
And when you get the chance to get it, because we've sent out a large batch of notifications to the next people in that list to let them know that it's their turn. So keep an eye out on your email, check your spam folders so that you have that opportunity to go and get the shot that you have already expressed interest in getting by signing up on that form. So that's a really important step.
right.
And if you have questions, the call center is here to answer those questions and to make this easy for people. The last thing we want is someone to not be getting a shot because they can't navigate either the website or the whole process. So we're here to help. Randy Randolph is here, and I heard him on the phone today. He's taking calls himself, as is everybody here. This is all Team St. Clair, and you're a member of it. We're all members of it, and we're going to get through this together. Just like we started 364 days ago, we were together. Now we're together, and we're gonna continue to fight COVID-19.
And the one thing I just asked on that same note is just remember there's 460 people, our county residents, that aren't with us this 364 days because they lost their battle with COVID. So if nothing else, as we approach this St. Patrick's Day weekend, and I know everybody wants to celebrate it and have a good time, but let's remember those 460 county residents that aren't here with us, and we remember them, and just stop and think, and just remember that we've got to be safe, wash our hands, wear our masks, watch our social distancing, even if you've been vaccinated. There's nothing 100% foolproof. So let's just continue this fight, and we'll get through it all together. We'll be back with Cindy in a few moments to translate this into the Spanish communities, and then we'll be back tomorrow for day 365. Everybody have a good evening.
I have battled this virus both professionally and personally. Professionally, I can tell you firsthand that it's greatly impacted our community, caused the loss of many lives, and continues to spread today. Personally, I can tell you that I contracted COVID-19, and it definitely is not the flu. This virus affects everyone differently, however, many have severe consequences. Please take this time to help your friends, your family, your neighbors, and the entire region by wearing a mask, washing your hands, and watching your distance. Together, we will overcome this invisible enemy.